make that. There we go. Hey, this is the worst part about being a hooper. Nigga gotta chase the ball. The worst part about shooting with yourself. Oh my God, that hoe slippery. Still made it. Give me a good one. There you go. There you go. That's all. I lied. Can I get 3? Damn. Might be all mid-ranges today. I can't get a 3. There you go. Spoke too soon. There you go. There you go. There you go. Call glass. There you go. And the camera slipped. Sharp boy. Can I get 3? Hey, I appreciate everybody who stay tuned in, you know, run your boy likes up, comment, subscribe. Whatever you passionate for out there, go chase it, bro. Cause life happened just like that. It's gonna be over with. So might well go chase your dreams and do what you love, you know. I'm forever grateful. And I'm not even where I wanna be at. To be honest, I'm the opposite of where I wanna be at, but I'm grateful because I'm alive and I have a chance. If you wake up and you breathing, man, that's all that matters. Wax one, man.